Hey guys, great to see you again. I dropped just $100 on my live Quotex account and I'd like to make some live stream with you and to show you how moving average works. So firstly, I want to change my time expiration from the previous strategy. I was trading on 30-second time expiration and right now I want to change it to 1 minute. And yeah, that's for the time expiration and time frame. And let's get closer to the deal. I have already selected moving average with a period of 10, but I need one more moving average because this strategy is based mainly on the intersections of two moving average lines. And here I'd like to change the period of 35, and also I'd like to change the color, let it be yellow. So the key aspect of this strategy is this intersection of moving average lines. So let me check what will happen if I put here 20. Yeah, it's much sensitive to the price changed. I'll keep 20, I think so, one with a period of 10 and another with a period of 20. Okay, let's continue trading session and I'll combine moving averages with RSI and let's start. So I'll try trading with $50 firstly and here be ready for trade in down direction. Let's go. Yeah, nice result and I've doubled my investment. That was great. So let's look for some situations where we have an intersection, how it's working. So we have two moving average, one with the fastest period. This moving average is the fastest because this is the smallest period, and one moving average with a bigger period is the slowest one. So one of the fastest moving average is crossing the slow moving average. It's the signal that the price would go lower and lower, and it's working with vice versa. When this fast moving average is crossing the slow line in up direction, that means that the price would grow. So let's check. I think the first currency pair. Let's see what's happening here. Lots of intersection, of course, because this is a clear downtrend. And I want to also take my profit to scalp my profit from here with $140. So from this point, up direction. Let's go. Great guys. You know why? Because that was a pretty rapid fall of the price. So you see the price always repeated history, rapid fall of the price, period of correction, rapid fall of the price again, and period of correction should follow this situation 100% cases. So let's go to this currency pair. Nice percentage of payout. What about intersections? They're also working for us, but right now I can see that we can rely on these signals from moving averages. What about RSI indicator? It's looking up direction. It's also reflected the current market states, and let's work with their support and resistance levels then. So yeah, I think that we can trade with $260, and from this point I want to open a trade in down direction. Let's go. Okay, nice, almost $500. Really great results. So I think that this live trading session will bring me some profit. And finally, a little bit I'm afraid to lose. Look, we have this intersection again, intersection and down direction. So maybe I'll trade with a part of my wallet program. Well, that's great. I'm in profit here, and I tested this level here with a small amount of money and I was right. Yes, that's not bad, and we can continue trading. So let's go to the second currency pair. Well, I think that many beginners asking me how to start their career in trading, and it's really interesting question. I remind myself in the young age when I was trying to do 1,000 jobs to make money somehow, and this wasn't so successful, to be honest. So how to start your career in trading. Just try and practice more, and right now there is so many information in YouTube and the internet itself, so it's pretty easy to start trading, especially in the internet. Lots of apps, lots of sites. For example, Quotex is the good binary broker, and I have my own Telegram community where I post signals, where I analyze the charts, and where I share information. So it's pretty easy, just start doing your first steps here. Okay, let me increase my investment. By the way, $500. Yeah, I bet $500, and here, as I see, a really nice situation. Be ready for trade up. Let's go. Yeah, great, plus $900. That's amazing. And yeah, when you mastering your skills, it's getting much more easy for you to take profit, and you're having other goals and other tasks. When you made your first thousands of dollars, you'll get to another level. You'll think differently, and of course, it will not be interested for you to trade with small amounts of money. You'll want to trade big. You want to make huge profits. So, like me, for example. So, let's go there. Let's check what's this currency pair offering us. And I'll trade here. Yeah, with $900. Finally, actually, I'm doing the videos for you when I start from $1, for example, from 20 or from 5. But the really interest for me is to start trading with huge capitals, because only there I can get big sums and immediately withdraw my money after satisfying my interest. So here, what would I do? I would open one more position. The market is volatile. Actually, this moving average theory is working better on higher time frames. Let's check 10 minutes time frame here. By the way, one more interesting and fancy fact. If you're changing your time frame, you even can differentiate which chart is on higher time frame, which chart is on lower time frame, so they look absolutely the same. And okay, let's go again to 1 minute time frame and work with this situation. This red line has crossed the red signal line, and yeah, the price is falling down. By the way, I want to do this trick. I want to change this period of 10 or I think 5 example, and I also want to change simple moving average to EMA moving average, because exponential moving average is much closer to the price change, and yeah, really I like this better. It's closer to candlesticks, even maybe put it like 9 again, and here I think that will be much better. Okay, a little bit adjustment. So yeah, I always adhere to the strategy, but if you see that sometimes went wrong, just correct this. Don't be afraid of this, okay? Now the price is still falling and I want to trade. Yes, with $900, and yeah, trade down here. Let's go. Yeah, nice. You see $1,798 on my balance, and that's really great. That's when I started feeling the smell of money, and that's what I really like. I want to make a trade with big money, big amounts, so I want to select the best situation. What's happening there? Let's check. Nice volatile market. Okay, let me check all currencies. I want to select the best one. Downtrend, uptrend. What's the messy chart? Not bad situation. This is also not bad, but by the way, I forgot to tell you that before starting shooting this video, I'm trading live. By the way, I select these two currencies. I did this intentionally, but I don't like that this percentage of payouts has fallen. But here we have a clear downtrend, and here we have this clear uptrend. Quotex is uploading this information for so long, so yeah, this is an uptrend. And I really liked when the market has such clear uptrend or downtrend, because on a pronounced trend, it's really easy for you to decide whether the price would go. And I think that the biggest trade I'd like to do with 1,500 bucks here on this clear uptrend, really it's amazing, especially when the price is low enough. It's falling right now, so I'd like to make a trade down. Let's go. And great again, you see the price was falling down this moving average that's close to the price, to the candle itself. It's also looking in down direction, so that was pretty great. You see candlesticks even crossed the slowest moving average here, and RSI was looking down. Now the price has stopped a little bit. They follow the price has stopped. Wait, let's see what happened. Let's go to our downtrend. That's one of the first currency pair. I like downtrends and uptrends also, and let me open a position here. I'll trade, I think, with 2,500 bucks for 1 minute again. So down trade. Let's go. Well, that's really great. The price went in down direction according to the general trend, so this is a global trend, and we've been interested what's happening there. Maybe it's really strong. Yeah, it's happening for the next. Further, I think 15 hours. So from 7 a.m. in the morning, the price was falling down. Very interesting situation. What's happening in 1 hour time frame? Oh, that's crazy. So rapid fall of the price from 23 RD of January. Really interesting. Okay, let's get back to our 1 minute time frame, and yeah, 1,000 bucks. By the way, how lucky I am, but I want to earn more. Really huge aim, because I started from big deposits. So let's go back to this currency pair. Not bad percentage of payout. We have already discussed the downtrends and uptrends, and what about this volatile market and support level? You see this, and let's open the trade here with let it be 5,000 bucks. So trade down. Let's go. Well, that's great. One more profit gain, and crazy, guys. But I made 9,500 bucks. Pretty great. I like the strategy with moving averages. By the way, if you want a detail, I have already made a detailed video on how moving average works, and also you can ask your questions in my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is below this video, and if you also want to join my VIP chat and to trade with me in live, just text me about this and I'll add you to my VIP chat, and you'll be able to earn profit. Guys, always stay positive, and bye bye.